Alright guys, working on a new project here. During the summer when we're hauling hay, kind of blew the head gasket on this guy. This is a 1991 Nissan Hardbody, and this is the first truck that my dad ever bought back in 1991 or 2. It was like the Christmas between 91 and 2. And he bought this brand new off the lot. And we kept it all these years and used it as a farm truck. We've hauled everything you can name. Grain, hay bales, dirt, gravel. We've hauled tons on this truck. So recently we've duallied it. We got a Nissan one-ton dually rear axle. And we got some Chevy dually fenders. And some Chevy mirrors on it. And cab lights. And made this thing into a dually. But now we're just working on getting the heads redone and changing the timing chain and all that stuff. Yeah.
That bolt not coming out.
Just putting the stuff everywhere in the back. There's a video on this truck on the Fast Lane Classics YouTube channel. On that channel, it's got the history and stuff like that. We kind of went more in depth, so we're just doing a little work on it, get it running.
Take it off.
Yeah. First reaction. Let's see what's up.
Oh, this is bad. Water.
Yeah, so we got water in the oil. That's what it looks like, guys. It's not looking good. You guys probably can't see it on camera, but it's milky. It's not good. Now I got oil on my hands. We're gonna change the chain here. Nice. Got the exhaust off, exhaust manifold. That's got the intake. We're gonna take the stuff off, and we'll pull the head out. Take all this off. We got in top dead center. What we did last time is we tied a string from here and tied it all the way up here so we could keep the tension on the chain and keep it in time and stuff, but we're changing it, so we'll have to take everything off.
Well, that's loose.
Yeah, that's probably why when we start it, it's always like and then it stops.
I think the guide, see, it's missing the guide on this side. It's got it here. I think this side broke.
Yeah.
I really do.
Truck's got 500,000 miles on it.
Plus.
So, yeah, 500 plus, so it's getting close to 600 somewhere in there. So, it's not surprising. Anyways, we'll get back to you when we get something else off. Another look at the oil. Very delicious.
Watch out.
We're gonna lift up the front end and put those stands in. We're just gonna use the backhoe. Here we go. got the head off, but the head gasket looks all fine. Here, you guys can pause the video and look very closely, but we don't really see any problems with the head gasket. Could you get the light? We did find that our timing, the tensioner here, it ain't there no more. It's all, so you can see it's broken off there. Focus, there we go. See that? And then if you look on this side, it's all scarred up, right there. And that, see it? See how scarred up it is? That's awesome. But yeah, so we might have a hole in the block. Let's take a look at the heads over here.
Lift this up.
Nice milky chocolate milk. Love it. Anyways, got more work to do. Yeah, so what we're thinking is that since the guide broke, the chain rubbed a hole in the block, and so now it's kaput. So we're gonna have to try to find another block, probably. Gotta take all this stuff off and look and see what's going on down there. Found our culprit. Look at that. This is the front piece. That's where the oil pump goes. It's the crank pulley. And yeah, look at that. That's incredible, ain't it? Look at that. It ain't no head problem. We didn't blow no head gasket. There's a hole in there. Let's take a look at the other bits that we grinded. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. And then right over there, there's a bit on here that it fell now. It's over there now, but you know, this thing grinded everything. That's amazing. Well, now we got to find a new front cover piece for here, and looking to get a new one of these, and then we'll try to keep on trucking. Maybe we're gonna get a new block. We don't know yet, so we'll see what happens. And yeah, got the oil pan off. Yeah, we found a bunch of metal shavings. There's a bolt that was supposed to be here that holds one of the guides here. And that backed off and it was in the oil pan. Here's a bunch of other, like all the other stuff that was on that front part. There was just a bunch of chunks of metal. Yeah. See all this stuff? That's all chunks of metal, all of that. So we're gonna try to get new parts ordered and see what we can do. See how bad it is on the truck. All right, guys, that'll be it for the video. This will be part 1. We just, you know, broke it apart and diagnosed what happened. Took the truck apart, and so we're in the process of ordering our parts, and we're gonna try to find another one of these because you can't really use that. So yeah, we're just gonna get our parts and we'll slowly put this thing together. So I'm not sure when the part 2 will come out, but stay tuned if you're interested in this truck, and if you're interested in seeing us put it back together, because it's pretty fun. It's a simple engine. They just take them off. And there's many YouTube tutorials on how to do what we're doing, taking it apart and doing the timing chain stuff. So if you need help, watch some videos. We didn't give a good explanation on how to do it, so I apologize for that, but I'll try to do a better job when we put everything on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment down what you think of the truck. Have you ever seen one of these in public? So anyways, hope you have a good day and see you next time.